Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, we're taking a look at white versus black DTF powder. Is there a difference? Do you need both? And much more to be covered in this video. The first thing I want to do guys is turn on my heat press. We'll be taking a look at black versus white powder on both black and white garments. At when it's appropriate to use what and when, and we'll just be doing a few tests guys. So without further ado, let's hop on the computer. Alright guys, so let's take a look at what I've done. I'll just remove the background. So basically I have black powder, white powder, black powder, white powder. We're going to be doing 4 tests to see if there's actually a difference. So without further ado, file, save, print, and I'll see you guys once it's actually been printed to save some time. So they just finished curing. Right now we're pressing the sheet. And I made it really simple for you guys. I wanted to show you really visually when to use what powder on what type of garment. So right now we're printing on the white garment. In a few seconds you guys will see when is it appropriate to use the black powder and when is it appropriate to use the white powder. Let's take a look what's going on here. So when we use the black powder on a white print on a light garment, it's no good. So never use black powder on a light print on a light garment. I know it's a lot of information guys, but I'll put text on the screen so you can always re-watch this video if you're unsure what powder to use when. But just so we start off on what you guys should use, you should always be using the white powder on light to white garments. So if you're printing on something white, always use white powder no matter what. Both of the black powders on the light garment has no effect. Right here it's not white, it's like bluish. Here it's like really bluish, so no go for the black powder on both. So right here you need to focus on white powder when you have a white garment or light garment. Either you're printing black or white ink, it doesn't matter. You need to go with the white powder no matter what. Now let's move on to a darker garment. Alright guys, so right now we're pressing on a dark garment, aka a black garment, and we're going to be taking a look on what's the appropriate powder to use in this case. Now I know it's a lot of information at once, that's why at the end of this video guys, make sure to stick around because we're going to be doing a conclusion, going over what type of powder is the most appropriate to use when, with notes on the screen so you guys can easily remember, or rewatch this video if ever you guys get confused in your printing journey. It's going to be easy to go back on this video and just see what type of powder is appropriate when. When you're printing on a dark garment, especially black, make sure you use black powder no matter what you're printing. It's going to give you vibrant prints, whether that be black or white. It is a bit bluish compared to the white on the white, but unfortunately you can't get that vibrant white on black garments, but you're still going to get a nicer white with less discoloration if you use the black powder. Now let's do a little summary if you will. So summary of this video: dark garments, black powder; light garments, white powder. You can never use black powder when you're printing something light. It's going to give you like a bluish tint, and then even with the black on a light garment, it's going to give you a bluish tint on the white if ever you have some in your logo, so it's a no-go. If you're printing on a darker garment, I would go with the actual darker powder, so the black powder. Really simple when you actually break it down. That's why I did 4 examples on each so you can clearly see the difference. If you do only have the white powder guys, you can still print darker garments. It's just that you will see a bit of discoloration that is possible compared to if you were to use the black powder. So I hope this video shines some light on when to use what type of powder. It's really simple when you think about it. Dark garments, dark powder. Light garments, light powder. Again, dark garments, black powder; light garments, white powder. White t-shirt, white powder; black t-shirt, black powder. I know I'm repeating myself a lot, but I just wanted to make I just want to make sure it sticks with you guys, because I know when you start DTF printing it can feel a lot overwhelming. So again, I hope this video shines some light. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.